So students, so we come to the question number 10. What does VDU stand for? The full form of VDU is Visual Display Unit. It is the another name of monitor. It is an output device. So the full form of VDU is Visual Display Unit. Now we come to the question number 11. Here it is given to state the difference between mechanical mouse and an optical mouse. State the difference between a mechanical mouse and an optical mouse. So mechanical mouse generally has a ball at the bottom and the pointer moves with the help of ball only. So this type of mouse are rare nowadays. So if we take out the ball from the mouse, then the mouse will be worthless. The pointer on the mouse will move in the direction in which the ball will move. The optical mouse is the most commonly used mouse nowadays. It uses optical light to move the pointer. So here we have optical light and we does not need any ball. So with the help of optical light only, the mouse pointer moves on the screen. This was answer of question number 11. Next we come to question number 12. What is pen drive? So the pen drive is also known as flash drive. It is a small portable device which is connected to the computer and other devices. So it is also used to carry the data or information from one place to another. So it is an erasable memory and can be used again and again to carry the data or to remove the data. So flash drive is also known as pen drive. So it is a very useful device which is used to carry the data from one place to another. It is also used to store large amount of data. It is a small portable devices which is connected to the computer or to the other devices. Here we can store the data or can remove the data again and again. This is pen drive. So this was a few questions that I took from the chapter and discussed them. Now I come to the fill in the blank parts. So the first question is, dash comprises all the physical part of the computer system. Hardware. The answer is hardware. The hardware comprises all the physical part of a computer system. The dash keyboard is made up of silicon material. Now what is the use of silicon over here? The silicon has made up the keyboard flexible. So the answer will be flexible keyboard or roll up keyboard. The flexible keyboard can be easily carried from one place to another because it can be folded easily. So the ability to fold the keyboard has been made possible because of the use of silicon material. Now question number 3. Dash is the most commonly used mouse nowadays. Optical mouse. The optical mouse is most commonly used mouse nowadays. The answer is optical mouse. Question number 4. MICR device is mostly used in bank. So MICR, magnetic ink card reader. So it is a device which is mostly used in the banks for writing a special type of fonts. So for the purpose of security. So the special type of fonts generally contain bank code number, check number, etc. And it is printed at the bottom of the check with a special magnetic ink. And the magnetic ink contains the iron oxide. The monitor is also known as, I just explained earlier in the question and answer, the other name of monitor is VDU, Visual Display Unit. So this was the few question and answers and the fill in the blanks that I took from this chapter. I hope that this chapter is clear to all of you. So in my videos I discussed about the topics of the chapters one by one. I tried to explain in a much better way. But if you are still having any of the doubt regarding any of the topic of the chapter, you can send me comments in my video, and I will be trying to reply all your comments, or I will be trying to remove all your doubts regarding any of the topic that I have explained till now. So here I am ending my lesson 2. In my next videos I will be starting lesson 3. Thank you.